Want to make money online by selling your own Canva templates? In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can create, upload, and sell your templates. First, you need a Canva account. You will need Canva Pro for this process. Once you are logged in, start by creating a new design in the size you want to sell. For example, if you want to sell Instagram post templates, choose the Instagram post size. Design your template with care. Make sure it looks professional and is easy to customize. Use text boxes, shapes, images, and colors in a way that can be changed easily by the person who buys it. Avoid using copyrighted images or elements that you do not have permission to resell. If you want your template to stand out, keep the layout clean and balanced, and use colors that work well together. When your template is ready, click the Share button at the top right of the Canva editor. From the options, select Template Link. This creates a link that, when clicked, will open a copy of your design for the buyer to edit in their own Canva account. Copy this link and save it somewhere. To sell your template, you can list it on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or your own website. Create an attractive product listing with preview images showing your template. Once your listing is live, promote it on social media, Pinterest, and through email if you have a list.